CX-DA800 and CX-DA810 battery-powered door alarms are equipped with a low battery monitoring feature. When the battery voltage falls below 7 volts DC, the door alarm emits a short beep every 45 seconds, indicating the need for battery replacement. First, insert the key and rotate it clockwise to the off position to disarm the door alarm. Slide the key lock cover and insert the key into the key lock. Rotate the key counterclockwise and remove the door alarm from the mounting backplate. Remove and replace the 9-volt battery. Reinsert the battery into the battery slot with the battery buckle facing the front of the door alarm. Reinstall the door alarm by first aligning the bottom of the housing with the catch on the mounting backplate. Rotate the key lock clockwise to resecure the door alarm. Insert the key and rotate it to the on position to rearm the door alarm. The green LED flashes for 15 seconds and then the red LED flashes 3 times. The red LED continues to flash every 3 seconds, indicating the door alarm is active and armed.